My 2018 sounds pretty good with the factory mufflers and the resonator delete X pipe that we installed, but today we're going to take it up a notch with a full catback from MagnaFlow. This MagnaFlow quad-tip competition catback exhaust system is available here exclusively at CJ Pony Parts. It'll be a direct replacement for the factory catback on your 2018 Mustang GT Fastback. The system is made of 3-inch stainless steel with an X pipe in the front, all mandrel bends through a set of competition mufflers, ending in a set of beautiful quad 4-inch stainless steel tips. For this installation, a lift or a jack and jack stands, 3/8 ratchet, 13mm deep socket, and a 15mm deep socket. The removal of the 2018 exhaust is once again a two-man job, but very easy to do. You're going to loosen the clamps up here, remove these 2 bolts for these rear brackets, pull these hangers off, and you can slide the whole thing off as one piece. We'll start the installation with the MagnaFlow X pipe. Now the part that kinks in on the front and back here is going to go on the passenger side. Put that on and then just snug them down. Okay, we're going to put the clamps now in place over the front pipes, and we install the under axle pipe. You grab the factory hanger off your exhaust, slide that on here. And put it up into place. And again, grab a clamp, put that over the pipe. Now we put the muffler assembly up into place. All right, now we want to repeat the process on the other side, and then we can make our final adjustments and tighten everything up. As always, the MagnaFlow fit was very good. Now let's hear how it sounds. Right away at idle, you can hear that deep tone. I mean, that's very indicative of the competition system. They always have a very, very deep tone at idle. Definitely gets a raspier tone in the higher RPMs, but a nice deep tone down low. Now let's take it out and see how it sounds on the road. The MagnaFlow competition quad tip is the first catback I've had on my 2018 Mustang. Now, I actually really like the sound with the X pipe and the stock mufflers, but we want to do a full catback to get some more of a comparison sound out of it. Now, we've obviously are familiar with the system. We've installed it before on previous models. This one fits the 15 through 17 with the Roush balance, and happens to fit the 2018 as well. Now, one thing we get asked a lot in the videos is, which exhaust system sounds the deepest? I want that deep, bassy, low, deep tone. This is it. This is the one you have to get. Now, to be 100% honest, if you want that deep tone, there's going to be a trade-off. You're going to get some drone on the highway. It's just, unfortunately, if you want the deep tone, you're going to get it all the time, including when you're cruising on the highway. One thing I always liked about the MagnaFlow is it does have that deep tone, but then as you get higher on the RPM band, it does change. You get more of a raspy kind of tone to it. The system does sound good, but when you get at, I mean, we're cruising 65, 1800 right now, you're going to hear it. There is going to be a little bit of a boomy drone to it at the highway, but that is the trade-off for getting that deep sound. As you come to expect from MagnaFlow, fitment on the system was good. You know, high quality stainless steel, mandrel bends, the tips look a million times better than the factory tips do on here. And it is a good sounding overall system. I mean, it's a lot of people like that really deep bassy tone. If that's what you're looking for, this is the system to go with. Like I said, there is, the trade-off, yes, you will get a little drone on the highway. It just comes with a territory with a deep boomy system like this, but for a lot of people, the trade-off might be worth it because it is a good sounding exhaust. And as far as the installation goes, like we showed you, pretty simple to do, just like any other catback system. Even putting the car up in the air, it's going to take you less than 2 hours. Be back on the road in no time.